This is really bad. I don't even know what's going on right now. All I know is that I need to get this fixed. I'm gonna call Jason, our IT guy. It sure as hell needs to get fixed before Kristin walks in the door.
Hi.
Okay.
All right, it's 190.10.
Colby, what the is going on with the home goods?
We gotta shut it down.
Hey.
Happy launch day.
Thanks. I'm not really feeling it right now. Brittany. So what's going on?
So what was happening was, for some reason, it didn't translate. So it was assuming that everything, that the serving board is the same weight as this.
Yeah.
So it's fixed. We ended up doing by weight, so they're fine now. So there should never be a time where they're paying less than what it actually is.
Yeah, okay. And then Shannon.
Yeah.
Your newsletter. Click the photo above and you can't click the photo above. That's a huge problem on a launch day. A launch day.
I know, I don't have the link if I don't know the link.
Well, then ask someone for the link. Like,
who do I ask?
Anybody. Ask me, ask
the link?
Brittany, ask Jason. You guys, this wasn't a collection that launched. This was a whole new line.
I know,
the Home Goods needed to have its moment and it got completely Do you understand? I've worked my ass off for this thing.
Ruined the whole moment.
Shannon, you can't click the photo to shop. That's a big deal. Don't act like it's not a big deal.
I'm not acting like it's not a big deal. I'm just...
That can't keep happening. Don't roll your eyes at me, Shannon. This is real. This is all real. So don't roll your eyes at me. This is a big deal. Can we close this door, please? I woke up this morning so excited to check the orders. Your newsletter went out and we had to take them off the website. That's so bad. That looks so bad on me because it all falls on me. It doesn't fall on you guys. I'm glad you're crying. I'm glad you give a This is my whole world right now. And it got this morning.